everyone, I'm Iris and welcome back to RONSCO Weekly, bringing you the most recent Chinese steel prices and market trends every week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here to stay up with future updates. Steel prices experienced a slight increase this week due to news from Tangshan. The regulatory authorities in the city announced that the production of crude steel this year will not exceed the amount of last year. Meanwhile, rumors are circulated that Ganqi Maodu Port, the main source of coal imports from Mongolia, is planning to reduce its daily capacity to no more than 80,000 tons. Recent developments have caused worries that the availability of steel products and materials may become limited, resulting in higher prices in the early part of the week. However, despite a short-term uptick, the market remains sluggish due to ongoing weak demand. Let's look at the availability of a product and the demand for it. China's steel production decreased by 180,000 tons this week, while the demand for steel rose by 830,000 tons, resulting in a total decrease in steel inventory of 840,000 tons. Nonetheless, despite the recent surge in demand, it is likely due to the lack of demand during the holiday period, and the fact that supply will exceed demand has not changed. We anticipate China's steel prices will continue to decrease, but not drastically. The reason for this is that there are certain factors that will limit the rate of decline. Let's look ahead. Well, let's break it down. First of all, after the last decrease, both raw materials and steel prices have reached their lowest point in the last 2 years, with coking coal even going below its 2-year low. However, despite the high supply levels, demand is still low. What is the outlook for the future? It is expected that steel prices will continue to go down over the next 2 to 3 months until the supply of steel decrease and demand increase. Well, how do you see the Chinese steel market? As always, the Chinese steel market is being monitored closely and the latest news and insights will be shared. If you found the video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. See you next week. Bye bye.